नमस्कार। आप सभी का बहुत प्रेम के साथ आज के इस ध्यान सत्र में स्वागत है। हम आरंभ करेंगे गुरु वंदना से। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। अखंड मंडलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्तिः पूजामूलं गुरोः पदम् मन्त्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यम् मोक्षमूलं गुरोः कृपा। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की। We will go straight into our meditation session, and these are times when Mother Earth has already ascended and she is actually vibrating at a much higher frequency, which humans have to catch up with. So it is time that we connect more and more to Mother Earth, and by connecting with her, we can really make room within ourselves for Mother Earth's energies to come and bless us. So we'll do a little bit of grounding. This kind of connecting with Mother Earth is known as grounding, and grounding is very essential because, as the word grounded suggests, that a person who is unshakable, who is not getting swayed by the circumstances, he is grounded. So by connecting with the energies of Mother Earth, we invite grounding for ourselves, which has become very essential in these times. So we'll do a little bit of that and use the energy of grounding to really cleanse our chakras, heal ourselves, and then use this body and our own intention to offer healing blessings to everyone. So this is, in short, what we are going to do today. And we invite grace of the masters to help us in the process and to allow our energies which are blocked to come unstuck. So we are going to start. You can take half a minute or a minute to really make yourself comfortable. and I'll be joining you. So you can place your body in a steady posture. Let the spine be naturally erect without any trace of stiffness in it. Feel how your shoulders are placed. So just ensure that they are finely balanced. Become aware of how you are holding the neck. So allow your neck to be balanced on your shoulders. Mentally survey your body. And see whether there is any tension anywhere or any trace of pain or unease. And if there is any trace of pain or unease, let the body adjust itself kindly. You become more comfortable and easy.
मतलब वो बड़ी खुश हो जाएगी शी वांट्स टू हाँ और मैं उसको
Realize that you have gone out of your body and you are seeing yourself from outside. And your body is held in balance, in perfect repose. Just take a few deep breaths. And as you breathe out, tell yourself silently, relax, relax, relax. So with each out breath, you are allowing your body to relax further. The breath is the bridge between the body and the mind. And as you become more aware of breath, the mind also starts settling down. And the number of thoughts that are arising begin to get reduced. We are 40 persons in this webinar at this moment. And each one of us is connected with the others by his or her thought. So just imagine that all of us are sitting in under a huge pyramid, whose energies are blessing us. And from the vortex at the top of the pyramid, there is white, blinding white light, which is falling on each one of us. It is the healing light of the universe. You can feel its soothing energy, its vibrations. Allow this healing light to enter the crown of your head, where it begins its cleaning work. Every single cell, every energy channel, every petal of the crown of your head, the Sahasrara, is being bathed in white light. It is such a wonderful feeling. Any blocks that may be there, the energy is cleaning and it's coming down. It moves into the Agnya Chakra, the third eye. And as it comes down, it also goes into the back of the head, where the Brahmarandra is. Feel the energy cleansing everything. And whatever is undesirable is coming down, whether it is an energy block, whether this is cell memory. It's like a river in spate that is just clearing everything that comes in its way. Feel this energy moving down further, filling your eyes, your ears, forehead, your nose, your upper lip, your lower lip, the insides of your mouth. Everything is being drenched in this white light and is being cleansed. And whatever residue may be there, whether an energy block, cell memory, it is in this flow of energy, it is being brought down, it is being dislodged from each cell. Now this white light comes to the region of your throat, your Vishuddhi chakra, which is blue in color, is being cleansed. Let the energy travel to the region of the heart and come in the domain of the heart chakra, which is green in color. And as this energy comes and fills the heart chakra, it begins to bloom. It is expanding, and any traces of grief, dislike, sadness, these are being washed away. You are being purified. Now this energy moves into the Manipura chakra. This chakra controls all your relationships, your connection with other people. And this is also being cleansed and filled with new energies. As your connection with the universe around you is bettered, you are more confident and more prepared to exercise your sovereignty in this universe. And much emotional debris, which is withholding you, is being cleared. Now this energy comes further down and enters the Swadhisthana chakra, which is the water element. It is determining your creativity in this world. How can you remain connected with your right brain, which will give you solutions without depending upon your past experiences? So as this chakra is bathed in white light, your dependence upon the left brain is being reduced. And you are becoming more intuitive, more present in the moment. Now the energy moves into the region of the Muladhara chakra, which is your connection with the earth element. So it represents groundedness, but it also represents stubbornness, inability to change. And as it is being cleaned or cleansed, you are being made more flexible, more adaptive. The inflexibility is being washed out of your system. And as this rivulet of white light goes further down from the Muladhara chakra, It moves out of the area of the pelvis to your hips, to your thighs, and to your knees. This white energy is cleansing your knees, clearing any debris that may be there in the joints or inside or outside, filling your knees with new light, new energy. And this travels further down through your calf muscles, to your ankles, to your toes, and to the soles of your feet. So much light is pouring from the top of your head that this wave of energy does not stop at the soles of your feet, and it begins to move out. You can visualize as if some roots are coming out of the soles of your feet. And these roots are very powerful. They start going deep into the earth, and nothing can stop them. They keep going down and down. No amount of hard rock is an impediment for them. Mentally follow these roots which are going down. You can feel that you are inside, your awareness is inside the earth where it is becoming hot. But you also feel that you are traveling in the energy body of the earth where it is not hot at all. And as the roots keep going down and down and down, somewhere near the center, you find a wonderful space where there is a crystal pyramid glowing with energy. And the roots just wrap themselves around this pyramid as if they are hungry for the energy which this pyramid has to offer. And the healing energy from this pyramid, which is the earth's healing energy, starts flowing back. So what has happened in the process is that whatever clearing was done, whether by way of cell memory, energy blocks, emotional memories, everything has been absorbed by the earth as the roots were traveling down. And for having made this connection with her, Mother Earth is very pleased and is going to bless you with her own energy. which begins to travel from this pyramid back to you through these roots, which are nothing but energy channels. And you can visualize this energy as golden yellow light or any other light which may come to you or which may come to your mind. And this light is traveling back to you with great intensity. It reaches the soles of your feet. And then from the soles of your feet, it starts coming inside you. Filling your feet with very soothing but very high frequency energy. It is far more powerful than the energy that you passed on into the earth. So visualize this energy entering you, traveling from the soles of the feet to your ankles, from your ankles through the calf muscles to your knees, from your knees through the thighs to your pelvis area, now the energy enters your Mooladhara chakra, which has already been cleansed earlier, but it gets imbued with a new light and new energy. It starts vibrating at a very high frequency. Its color was red earlier, now it is mixed with golden light. After doing its work at the Mooladhara chakra, this energy moves to Swadhisthana, the sacral chakra. It is the seat of yourself, the Swa. And when this energy hits the Swadhisthana chakra, it lights up like a light bulb. A new you is being born. Feel the energy. The water element inside you is being completely purified and raised to a much higher frequency. Now the energy travels to Manipurak chakra, which is already yellow, but this golden light that it is receiving makes it shine all the more with greater brilliance. It's like yet another light bulb has gone up. And now this energy moves further up. goes into the heart chakra, the Anahat chakra. Filled with this light, the Anahat chakra acquires a new hue of green. It's just like the newborn shoots or new leaves on a tree. You can feel the expansion that is happening in the Anahat chakra. All the problems that may be associated with your chest and breathing, they are being removed. And the energy moves up further. In the Vishuddhi chakra. This is the chakra of speech. And as this divine light from Mother Earth is doing its healing work, you are being empowered to think and speak responsibly. Your words are going to acquire a special power and authority and also balance. Because what is going to give rise to those words is a better, more expanded Anahat chakra. We live in a world that is divided. But as the heart opens, the divisions begin to disappear. And we get a more holistic view of things. And as the Vishuddhi chakra is cleansed, our words start emanating from a space where there is tremendous understanding and love. The language of hate and discrimination disappears. The energy moves further, starts working in the Agnya chakra. New intuition is being created. The small little voices, the chatter of the mind that keeps us bound, that chatter is being reduced. You are being prepared to listen to the voice of intuition. And the energy moves into the Sahasrara chakra. Which is lit up with this newfound energy. And it is like as if a funnel opens up at the top of your head and this energy moves out further. And it connects with another chakra, which is the 8th chakra, the chakra of your Akashic records, your karmas. And as this energy creates a bridge, a lot of the information contained in that chakra automatically starts coming down and settling inside you. With the information that you are receiving, even though you may not be able to see it, but it will be available to you and it will guide you in making your decisions more wisely. It will bring discretion into the choices you make. And as this energy comes down, let it settle in your heart. Become aware of this glowing golden yellow light, which is present in your heart. Let this light form a bubble. Let this light grow and form a bubble around you. And you are encapsulated in that bubble. Take a moment to feel the state you are in. The state of a baby in her mother's wombs. The womb is the safest place. And all the needs of the baby are fulfilled without asking. It is the same here. In this bubble of energy, you are safe and protected. Enjoy this feeling. And we can maintain this feeling or maintain this state of protection by following certain commands. So I am going to say these commands, but as I speak, whenever I say dash, that means it's a blank space and you take your name so that the command applies to you, becomes your command. Like if I say that let dash be free from all interferences. So in your heart, you will say, take your name and say, let me be free from all interferences. So we start with these commands. Whenever I say dash, you will take your name. So let dash be free from all the interferences, injected thoughts, and applications. Let peace and harmony govern dash mind. Let dash be healthier and wealthier, better and better, in making this world a better place to live. and the activation command is applied on the declared intent. So it is now. We come to the second command, which is raising frequency command. Let dash maintain chakra functioning from the heart and above level with a very high frequency. So it is now. If you want to heal any particular body part or situation in your life, so keep that in your mind. And say your name as I say this command. Alter configuration to cause healing. To name the body part in your mind or the situation. Dash and restore it to pure health. Whatever coming against this intent, be terminated. So it is now. We all need protection. So there is a command for protective shield. While you are in this bubble of energy that protects you, let there be a divine protective shield around dash so that only positive energies come in. And all the negative energies are reflected back to the sender or source with the double amount of love. So it is now. Feel the effect of these commands. Pay attention to the healing that is happening. Become aware of how your chakras are vibrating at a higher energy and your whole body and the pranic body is filled with prana. Now let this bubble in which you are held, this protective bubble, expand. And any near and dear ones whom you want to heal, family members whom you want to be protected, imagine that they are being held in this protective bubble. And they are being healed. You can send them or you can supplement this healing by sending them this message. Divine love, divine love, divine love. Divine healing, divine healing, divine healing, divine love, divine love, divine love, divine healing, divine healing, divine healing. Feel that the persons whom you are healing, they are filled with light and love. And they begin to feel better. We send love to whomsoever we want to heal, because love melts blockages. We don't put a strong intention of healing. We simply say, let the healing be as appropriate. Because the energy knows what is appropriate. And it will do what is appropriate. So all those people whom you had invited in your aura to be healed, just thank them for being there. Bless them. And very respectfully send them back to where they came from. Now let your aura expand further. Let it become one with your flat or residence or bungalow. Ask the energy to heal this place. To make it free from fear and anxiety. To always bless the inhabitants. If you have any pets, just bless them. And let the aura expand further. Now it becomes one with the building which you have been living if you are in an apartment-like situation, or your block. Blessing everybody living there. Let it expand further and become one with your society, showering its blessings on people living there. Let it grow further and become one with your district, your state, the nation, the subcontinent, the globe. Bless Mother Earth for being what she is. She has been holding and supporting all of us without ever having thought about putting her weight upon us. Bless the agents of nature. The sun, the moon, the air, water, fire. They are so steadfast in their service of mankind. And now you can start becoming more aware, allow your awareness or the scope of your awareness to contract till it becomes one with your physical form. And as your awareness is confined to your physical form, pay attention to the junction between your nose and the area between the two eyebrows. The moment you become aware of that space, great energy begins to build up. It becomes much easier for you to see your thoughts as they arise and subside. The breath becomes very, very subtle. So be aware of this state of concentrated awareness where you are very, very conscious of everything that is happening. You can see a thought arising and then subsiding. And between two consecutive thoughts, there is a gap where there is no thought. If you can rest in that space, it is good. If not, at least you are more aware of your thoughts, which have reduced in number, and you can clearly see them arising and subsiding. Just rest in this state of awareness for the next few minutes. Become aware of your breathing. And as you become more aware of your breathing, also become conscious of various limbs of your body, how your hands are placed in your lap, how you are sitting or sitting on your sit bones. What kind of contact is there between the sit bones and the chair or the bed where you are seated? How your shoulders are being held. If there is a fan in the room, become aware of the sound of the fan. Become aware of the touch of air on your skin. Or if you are sitting in an AC environment, become aware of the sense of coolness around your skin. And when you are ready, you may like to rub your palms together. And give energy to your eyes. Become more aware of the breath. Move your palms on your face. Caress everything. And when you are ready, you can open your eyes. Anyone wants to share something? हाँ पांडे जी, आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं?
हाँ सर, बहुत ही सूदिंग, शांत, और थोड़ा सा ऐसा लगा कि जैसे बॉडी में कहीं कोई टेंशन या कुछ है तो दैट हैज आल्सो बीन रिलैक्स्ड। तो एक फीलिंग बड़ी कामनेस की और शांत की हुई। थोड़ी देर ऐसा लगा कि आपने कहा आंखें खोलो तो भी ऐसा लगा कि आंखें नहीं खोले।
Many people were not able to open.
जी सर, वही बड़ा पीसफुल रहा, बहुत बढ़िया सर, बहुत बहुत डीप हो गया सर, बहुत डीप हो गया।
मुझे भी ये अंदाजा नहीं था कि इतना समय चलेगा,
हाँ नहीं, काफी
लेकिन
अच्छा रहा।
क्योंकि
इतना
anybody
होने के बाद भी मन यही कर रहा था, बैठे रहो बैठे रहो बैठे रहो।
बैठे रहो।
शुरू में यहाँ पे हमारे जरा दिक्कत हुई, और सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चीज जो आज हुई, जो कभी नहीं होती, व्हेन यू आर स्पीकिंग, मुझे लगा मैं एक स्टेप आगे जा रहा हूँ, एक स्टेप आगे जा रहा हूँ, एक स्टेप आगे जा रहा हूँ। व्हेन यू सेड अच्छा अब हार्ट पे पहुंचे, मुझे लगा मैं ऑलरेडी हार्ट पे पहुंच गया हूँ। उसके बाद इतना अच्छा लगा पहली बार मुझे कि आई केप्ट ऑन स्माइलिंग इनसाइड। जब वो बबल के अंदर आए और पिरामिड में बैठे और सब कुछ, एवरीथिंग वाज सो ग्रेट। आई कांट एक्सप्लेन इट इन वर्ड बिकॉज मेरे पास वर्ड्स है नहीं।
तो आप सोली भाई का जो प्रैक्टिस बताया था ना राजन भाई ने, वो कर रहे हैं ना, उसके कारण जो अंदर से अपने आप ही प्यूरिफिकेशन हो रहा है।
हाँ
इट
वो
इज
करते हैं,
इट इज अ गिफ्ट ऑफ दैट।
हाँ वो करते हैं, मगर कभी कभी वो मिस हो जाता है। बट दिस डेडिकेशन,
नहीं
आई एम
ठीक है
थिंकिंग
इतना। हाँ
आई विल स्टार्ट दिस, आई विल लिसन टू दिस। जब आपका तो इसमें आएगा ही यूट्यूब में, तो मैं इसको सुबह शाम करूंगा।
ये तो हम
अभी मैं
लोगों ने सोचा नहीं था रखने के लिए।
बहुत
Anyway,
बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, मतलब इट्स बियॉन्ड इमेजिनेशन। आई कांट एक्सप्रेस इट
भाई साहब कुछ कहना चाहते हैं?
नहीं, really, I mean, this was the much needed session. I mean, with so much of news getting around, and I mean, you will not imagine, just 4:27, I get the news of the expiry of a very close friend. Just 2-3 minutes before that, I was sitting.
The session.
Yeah, it's just so, I don't know what kind of that relaxation or what soothing effect, or what I would say, that protection, that shield, that cleansing. I mean, it was all so very intense and so very powerful. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. ऐसा है कि ये सब की कलेक्टिव एनर्जी है। ये जो मैं बोल रहा था कि हम सब एक ही पिरामिड के नीचे बैठे हैं, तो इट इज नॉट एन एम्प्टी स्टेटमेंट। ये दिल के बहलाने के लिए कोई बात कही गई हो, ऐसे बात नहीं है। हम में से हर व्यक्ति कनेक्टेड हो जाता है जब हम ध्यान करते हैं। तो इट इज नॉट वन पर्सन हु इज मेडिटेटिंग, इट इज एवरीबडी, दैट कलेक्टिव एनर्जी कम्स इनटू प्ले। असली बात यह है कि मैंने तो सोचा नहीं था कि ध्यान कैसे और क्या कराएंगे। हमारे पास एक ऑडियो बनाया हुआ था पहले, जो मैंने ग्रुप में सर्कुलेट किया था। तो हेमा से यही बात की कि वो बस चला देंगे, 30 मिनट का ऑडियो है और हम लोग बैठ जाएंगे। तो वो हमने सेट करके अपने कंप्यूटर में रख लिया था कि जैसे बोलूँगा उसके बाद वो ऑडियो लगा दूंगा, वो प्ले करता रहेगा, अपना लोग ध्यान कर लेंगे। बट वो एनर्जी ने, आप लोगों की एनर्जी जो कलेक्टिव एनर्जी है, उसने मुझे वो करने नहीं दिया। So it became a longer meditation and a more elaborate one. It was totally spontaneous, and all because it is the play of the energy. If the energy decides that people should have relaxation, then despite my own little mind which says ऐसे कर दो, चलता नहीं है, उसके आगे हो जाता है। So it is something amazing.
गौर साहब, मैं मेरी अनभिज्ञता को थोड़ा क्षमा करेंगे, तो पूरे इसमें बहुत आनंद आया। एक चीज जो थोड़ा सा जो रास्ते में आ रही थी कि इग्नोरेंस अबाउट द एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन ऑफ ऑल द चक्रास व्हिच यू टॉकिंग ऑफ। अब ये बड़ी बेसिक चीज है, ये पता होनी चाहिए, मगर जो एज आई सेड अनभिज्ञतावश जो है वो उतना थोड़ा ज्ञान की थोड़ी कमी है। तो किसी टाइम पे जब आप उचित समझें तो एक बारी ये चक्रों के बारे में अगर दोबारा से रिवाइज करवा देंगे तो इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल।
सर ऐसा है, आपने हम लोगों का बाद में ज्वाइन किया है, लेकिन हम आपको क्या बताएंगे कि किसी भी गूगल में आप डालिए 7 स्पिरिचुअल चक्रास।
अच्छा,
उसमें सब, हाँ, सबका आपको जो है उसका लोकेशन, उसका कलर, उसका उसके जो मंत्र हैं कि कौन सा मंत्र किस चक्र में वाइब्रेट हो रहा है, इसके बाद हर चक्र की क्या स्थिति है, उसका क्या रोल है हमारी लाइफ में, कि अगर वो स्ट्रांग रहेगा तो हमको क्या फायदा उससे होने वाला है, और अगर वो बैलेंस नहीं रहेगा, बिगड़ा हुआ रहेगा, तो उससे क्या हमारे अंदर गड़बड़ी आ जाती है। वो सब चीजें जो है, इट इज ऑल, गूगल पंडित इज वेरी नाइस।
ठीक है, प्रयास करूंगा।
हाँ, और अगर आपको फिर भी ना मिले तो बताइएगा, तो मैं ढूंढ करके निकाल करके
नहीं नहीं, मिलेगा क्यों नहीं, मिलेगा क्यों नहीं, मगर हर चीज में वो गूगल पंडित का जो डिश होती है उसमें हमेशा वो स्वाद नहीं होता है जो कि ब्रह्म प्रकाश पंडित के उसमें डिश में होता है।
नहीं, मेरे ख्याल
ये बात शुक्ला ही सही है यार, बिल्कुल सत्य वचन।
नहीं, ये आप लोगों का प्रेम है, बाकी तो क्या है।
आज वाला तो खैर ग्रेट मेडिटेशन, मतलब मुझे अच्छा हमेशा लगता है मेडिटेशन, घर पे करता हूँ तब भी, लेकिन आज वाला तो इसको बियॉन्ड इमेजिनेशन, और एक एक स्टेप, मुझे एक एक स्टेप याद है, मतलब इतना अच्छा लग रहा था मुझे। लास्ट में तो मुझे लगा कि एक बार झपकी आ जाएगी मुझे, लेकिन फिर वो एकदम से आपने कहा तो ठीक हो गया।
अच्छा, देयर इज
ग्रेट।
वन, जनरल साहब कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? नमस्कार। You have to unmute yourself, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Loud and clear.
नमस्कार, पहले बहुत बहुत और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आई थिंक दिस वाज अ फैंटास्टिक सेशन सर। मैं भी प्राणिक हीलिंग करता हूँ, लाइक जैसे मैंने आपसे पहले ही बात किया था।
जी जी।
एंड मेरे फादर इन लॉ, ही इज डाउन विद कोविड एंड ही इज वेरी सीरियस, ही वाज देयर, सो आई वाज हीलिंग हिम, आई वाज इन माय मेडिटेशन हीलिंग हिम, एंड ड्यूरिंग दैट हीलिंग, जैसे आप जो कर रहे थे वही सेम मेरा भी वही है कि दैट यू गो इनटू अ पिरामिड, get onto it, make a bubble around, heal through, and वही जो आज आपने शुरू किया, I went so deep today. I think there were what you आपने जो बोला ना कि vibrations जो थी, इधर जो संगत जो बैठी है, all the people who are sitting, the vibrations are so strong that today I went way beyond that what I was doing on my own. I went way beyond. It was so deep, it was so relaxing, and there is something in your words, sir. आपकी टोन में कोई वाइब्रेशंस हैं which actually take you much much beyond, and this is I want to admit to you, you are actually a very evolved soul, sir, because I shouldn't say this, but I have little experience in this line, and I thought that I have experience, but after having interacted with your energy, I think I'm blessed to be with you. I absorbed so much of energy from you, so much of knowledge which has come into me just by being in this meditation. I just can't tell you. So I think we're all blessed. You are a very evolved soul. Your energies are way far higher. I shouldn't be saying this, but I way beyond, way beyond. We are very blessed to be there, because the more we be with you, the more we are going to absorb, the more we are going to be taking through. And please continue on the same line. Distribute the work to all of us, but do not leave. Do not even think of leaving. Right? Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your kind words. But as I have say so often, that I met these masters and they did not throw me out. They knew all the kachra that was there inside of me. They made me sit next to them. So this is something that I learned from them, that the love, that it is love that transforms. So when I give my meditation instruction or come to this program, and my guru told me one thing. She said, if you want to serve somebody, you have to see God in them. God has come to you in the form of this person. So if you transpose God, then you will always go out of your way to serve that person. So this is what I learned from my guru. She said, that this is how you must approach people. And this is what works perhaps, because when we approach with love, love, Master Shaw, the great soul healing master, says, love melts all blockages. So in offering love, we are cleaning ourselves, and that is how it works. It's not a one-way traffic. So आप लोगों का भी रोल इसमें उतना ही महत्वपूर्ण है जितना कि मेरा रोल. It's not one way. And I am really blessed to be here with all. And I had to tell something. Master Uma has given me an empowerment for healing. So today I want to offer each one of you a healing. So are you willing to have it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Of course. I mean, this is the need of the hour, sir.
Sir, yes,
As
sir.
many people we can
Yes.
heal.
Yes.
So So those people who want in the heart, says my internet connection is unstable. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Sir, voice is coming, but I think video has stopped. Yes, now
Hello?
it's coming.
It started coming, sir.
I can hear.
We can hear you.
Okay. So
I can hear you.
each one of you just think about one thing, one body part, one situation, or one emotion that you would like to have healing for. And I will try to do that. So those who want it must have this thought.
और सब आपकी आवाज चली गई है.
I'm not speaking, ma'am.
Okay.
For most part, I may not be speaking. Now thou hands blessings begin. Thou hands blessings in you can open your eyes. How did it feel? Anybody wants to share something? Or otherwise, it's all right. Because even if you do not have felt anything, it's fine. Because the healing has happened. You may notice some changes maybe later. So we come to an end of our meditation session. So thank you very much for being here.
इमीडिएट हीलिंग हुई है। मेरे यहाँ गर्दन में दिक्कत हो रही थी, इमीडिएट हीलिंग हुई है मुझे अभी अभी। अभी अभी यहाँ गले में दिक्कत हो रही थी, अभी अभी हुई है। मतलब शुरू में भी मेडिटेशन में मैं खाता था, उसके बाद तो मुझे पता नहीं चला, लेकिन अभी अभी ठीक हुई है, बिल्कुल ठीक हुई है। ओके, वेरी गुड।
Thank you. Thank you. So, ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।